What's going on, everybody? It's Craig with Black Limited X, and I want to give you guys a quick little update on the CCI Caliper Covers. Some people were asking me how they were holding up as far as daily driving, road conditions, weather, things of that nature. So let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, so there it is, you guys. As you can see, the covers are still on there, looking nice. Get a little quick walk around first. You can see both sides. Damn, this truck is beautiful. All sides still on. Now, as you all know, this is my daily driver. So from railroads to potholes, any type of bumps, you name it, these things have held up. These things have stayed on. No movement, no scraping, no scratching, nothing like that. Brake performance hasn't been affected. Now, don't get me wrong, these are not these add no benefit to brake performance whatsoever. They are just strictly covers, strictly cosmetic. They do nothing, but they haven't affected my braking performance, and they've held on. So that's a plus in my book. You know, I thought, I had my worries that at first, because they were only held on by like magnets and clips, that maybe, if I took a bump hard enough, it might come off. But nope, they've stayed on. They've held on strong. I bought these maybe, don't quote me, I don't even remember when I bought these. It's maybe been like maybe two and a half months, maybe 3. I'm not sure, you guys. I'm gonna have to go ahead and go back and check. But either way, they've held on this much, and like I said, I daily drive this truck, so I put miles on it, and it's taken everything. So it doesn't matter what I've come across, they haven't fallen off, and they still look good. Now don't get me wrong, I like the painted caliper cover look as well, but I love the covers too. Aesthetically they look better, they fill out the wheel more, and they just look good. So for anybody wondering, how they will hold up as far as like daily driving, abuse, and things of that nature, maybe call me lucky, but mine have held on. Mine have been great. They haven't affected my brake performance, like I said. So take that how you will, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.